Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to disable notification for direct messages on your Instagram account. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. This is a useful feature as if you get a lot of spam messages on your Instagram account, you can enable this to prevent this from happening. To begin with, let's open up your Instagram app. Now go to your profile tab, tap on the three lines at the top right, then select settings. Now select notification, then tap on direct message. Go through the page and select off for all the sections. This is the closest you will get from disabling direct message as this feature is built into Instagram and it cannot be disabled. And there you go, that is how to disable notification for direct messages on your Instagram account. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.